Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's going to be a double Air Force One unboxing. Yes, I love the Air Force One. All you guys have to do is to check out all the sneakers in my back, and you can probably tell it's my favorite shoe. So today, we're going to unbox two new Air Force One sneakers. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We're actually giving away 4 1,000 peso gadget mystery boxes from poundit.com. All you guys have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below in the description box to see the rest of the mechanics. Go! Before we go to the main event, which is the unboxing of the two new Air Force One sneakers that I have, I just wanted to share with you guys my latest Funko Pop acquisition. Now, apart from sneakers, I actually collect a lot of Funko Pops. Most of the Funko Pops that I collect are mostly from the Dragon Ball Z line, and I will be doing like my Funko Pop collection video very soon. So I actually go over all of the Funko Pops in my current, collection, which is probably worth over $3,000 now or over 150,000 pesos. Now, my latest Funko Pop collection is this one. It is from the anime One Punch Man. So to those who are fans of the anime, this, of course, you can probably tell just by looking at it, is Saitama, the main hero, the main character in the series, the guy who punches everything to oblivion. So yeah, I just wanted to get him, add him to my collection. Yeah, it looks pretty sick, pretty cool. Got him over at one of the toy shops over at Green Hills. That Funko Pop and these 3 cool stickers. One of Saitama, really nice, can put on the laptop over there. Vegeta, my favorite character, and of course, Goku. So let's get to the unboxing. Now, if you guys weren't able to catch a video that I recently posted, I actually went to the Nike outlet store over at, I think it was the SLEX or NLEX. I think it was the NLEX. That's the main expressway, northern expressway here in the Philippines. And I mentioned that the Air Force One, I think it was like South Beach, I don't know what I called it, was sitting there on discount. Now, what I didn't tell you was that I actually picked up the shoe. So here you guys have it. It is your typical Nike Air Force One box, that embossed silver Nike Air Force One logo over here at the top, black box. You have the details of the sneaker here along the side. I did go size 12. Now, usually when it comes to sizing for the Air Force One, you're supposed to go like half size down, but I do have wide feet, so my current tendency for Air Force Ones is to go true to size. But again, if you have narrow feet, you might want to consider going half a size down. So if you pop the box open, you have that star tissue. So it's like white tissue paper with a print of stars on top of it. And if you unwrap it, you get straight into the sneaker. So take a look at that, guys. This is the South Beach, I think. I don't know what you're whatever you're supposed to call it, but here you have it. That's the shoe. So you have that black leather upper over here, which just feels so nice in hand. And then you have those bold hits of pink, blue, or I don't know if you want to call it teal. And I just love that hologram effect here at the back with the NBA logo and the AF1 logo. So that's emblem. So that's what you have here at the heel. So this is the type of sneaker that you want to wear if you want to kind of turn heads. It's not the loudest sneaker, but I love just how the pink and the teal pops because it is set to a black canvas or to a black dominant upper. Now, to those who haven't tried Air Force Ones yet, they are actually super comfortable. Don't think for a second that this is just like a solid block of rubber. This one is actually encased inside is an air unit that Nike is known for, and that's the reason why, combined with the insole, it is a really comfortable sneaker. Apart from that, it's actually a very good shoe for people like me who have wide feet. So that's the first Air Force One that I wanted to unbox for you guys. Cop this one for a little over 3,000 pesos. That's roughly $60 if my math is correctly. Not a bad deal. This is the second Air Force One that I wanted to unbox for you guys. I actually copped this from Shoe Game Manila. I did a sneaker shop visit or review on Shoe Game Manila a few months back. I will put a link to it down below. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, check it out. Shout out to Boss Ronnie. So as you guys can see, this one has the Nike Air Force One logo. It's pretty much the same box. So let's just get to what it says over here. Actually says there Air Force One 07 PRM. Again, I did go through to size. And to those who were wondering what this is, it is like some sort of like Denim Air Force One. So let me just take it out of the box so we can take a closer look at this sneaker. So as you guys can see, the upper is made out of dominantly two colors of denim. So you have like a lighter shade of denim which makes up for a bigger part of the shoe. But if you take a look at the swoosh over here on the lateral and the medial side, as well as the accents near the laces, it does turn into a darker shade of denim. Now, they do use like orange highlights on the shoe to make it pop a little more. So if you take a look at the outline of the dark swoosh on the lateral and the medial side, it does have an orange accent. The stitching just above the midsole is also some sort of like orange to red color, some sort of like crimson, which just adds more pop to the sneaker. If you take a look at the edges of the laces, you also have orange tips. And if you move to the tongue tab, it does say here Nike Air Force One in a lighter shade of denim set to, a darker shade of denim set to a lighter shade of denim. It also says here at the back, Nike Air with the swoosh. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't realize about this really cool sneakers, if you take a look at the insole, it's actually also made out of denim. It's just a really nice added touch to the shoe. Actually like that a lot with the sneaker. Now again, just like the previous sneaker that I mentioned, this is super comfortable on feet. I was able actually to try this on, and yeah, it's pretty much your typical Air Force One experience. Now, I don't know if this sneaker actually released officially in the Philippines. So if you want to cop a pair, check out Shoe Game Manila on Instagram. Give them a message. Check out their store over at Century Mall Makati, Century City Mall Makati, and check them out. They do have like a bunch of really nice Air Force Ones in their wall that you guys can just, you know, shop, try on, and if you have the budget for it, and if you want to bring it home, buy. By the way, guys, speaking of Air Force Ones, I wanted to get your advice on something. So I actually have like two Air Force One off-white collaborations over here. This one, of course, is the black variant of the Nike Air Force One off-white, and I also have the Vault variant over here, again, of the Nike off-white Air Force One. I'm hard at work at trying to get like the blue colorway, which recently released over at Chicago, and I will not rest until I add that one to my collection. Anyway, as you guys can see, both are still dead stock. I actually haven't tried either shoe yet, haven't worn them yet, and I just wanted to get your opinion on which one I should undead stock or unDS first. So I'd love to hear from you. Please do let me know down below in the comment section which of the two sneakers you guys would like to see me unDS, undead stock, break in, and actually use. I buy sneakers to wear, not really to, you know, well, store, but some of the sneakers I store because I just have like a big feeling the value will go up over time and will probably pass it on to my kids. But anyway, yeah, so let me know which one of the two I should unDS. Hit the comments and I'll probably do it over the next few days. And for our power up words of wisdom for the day, I'd like to talk about your passions, things that you love to do that are kind of expensive, and that can actually be sneakers. Now, one tip that I can give you guys from experience is that if you want to thrive, if you want to be at your natural best, always find something that you're good at, that you love, that you can make money out of. And that actually applies to our hobbies. So if you are into sneakers, if you are into toys, if you are into whatever it is that you guys want to collect, my big tip for you is find a way to be able to build a business or find a way to be able to make money out of that hobby. Because apart from being able to sustain that luxury that you have, you will be spending your own money and money that you make out of that particular business. You can actually contribute to your, well, life in general, and you'll probably be good at it because you just love doing it. So for example, for me, one of the things that I've always loved to do is to create content on things that I love, well, to buy and collect. It allows me to keep on collecting, it allows me to monetize it, and it actually gives me an outlet to de-stress and chill a little bit with all of you guys here on this channel. So again, one of the best tips I can give you is if you are passionate about something, be it sneakers, be it food, be it travel, be it whatever it is that you will spend a lot of money on, try to figure a way, guys, to be able to monetize it. Because who knows, maybe one day you can retire from your job, you can resign from that 8 to 5 and live out that dream life that you've always wanted to have. And with that said, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic, amazing week. Please do tune in tomorrow. I will be announcing a new giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be insane. So make sure that you guys stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed, and make sure that you watch the vlog tomorrow. That's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.